Hi everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we are going to be talking about Polygon MATIC, which currently is priced around 79 cents right now at this moment. It's hanging out at that 382 Fibonacci level using the Fibonacci retracement from that 52-week low that we saw Polygon on around June 18th, and then how it quickly went up within 5 waves, reaching the 5th wave on around August 14th at a price of around $1.07. So since then, we have seen a little bit of retracement within the price. It had come down about 50% at one point, and I'm saying that was possibly an ABC type move. It came down in 3 waves, and there's this possibility that we're now working on a new wave set that will be the breakout wave that could possibly break out of this trend, because you can see that things have been lining up within this trend, and even with the volatility that we just recently had, we still managed to go back and manage to place back within this Fibonacci level. So we're really tightening up a lot along this trend line here, and there's that possibility that things could start to break out. Now, there's also a possibility that this is not part of a 3-wave move to the downside, and it could be a 5-wave move. So we could have our wave 4 and then our wave 5 to actually come down. Before then, we'll start seeing some price movements to the upside. That's one scenario. So that would be if this was to come down just one more time. But there's no guarantees that that's what's going to be happening, because we can see that we're really tightening up a lot along the top of this trend line. So it's showing that it's wanting to possibly break out here, and that's what I'm really paying attention to right now at the moment. It's also really key right now that it does stay around 78 cents within this Fibonacci level, because if it is to come down more, then we risk that possibility of it falling below that 50% Fibonacci level, and that will take us down much lower. We can see the price even go down to as low as around 60 cents. So that's what we want to avoid. We don't want that wave 5 to actually come in. We want to make sure that while we're here trying to hang out within this wave 4 as it is dipping a bit, that this does lead to that breakout, and instead just be part of a new wave set that we have to the upside. So instead, basically, we just call this our corrective wave from a larger series. So we would go that as things are playing out, that this would be that first set of wave, the wave B, and then this is our wave C, our bigger breakout wave that would go back and then start to really retrace a lot more with Polygon from here. So that's what I'm hoping for, that is going to be happening from this point, but we're going to have to see how things do end up playing out from here. Now let's look at all the other details with Polygon and see how other things are lining up, as currently we're within our bull market support band, as you can see. And also let's look at our moving averages here. So we were above our 100-day moving average, and we just fell through that a few days ago. And now what we're actually working on at this moment is trying to get back to our 100-day moving average. We're still under our 20, but you can see that we did have a bit of a price movement that did attempt to get back to that 100-day moving average, which there is a bit of a resistance keeping us from doing such. But at the same time, if we're able just to get right back above that and continue working up and hopefully get on the other side of this bull market support band, then things from here could end up becoming very nice. So the 200-day moving average currently is around the price of around 93 cents at this moment. So if we were also to work our way up and then get on this other side of that, things with Polygon could look really good, and the odds of us actually surpassing where we're at within our top Fibonacci level that we have right now at the moment, at that $1.07 price, then if we were able to get through that, then things would just look a lot better. And that odds of seeing how this third wave here would play out, that big breakout wave that we're hoping for, then that would do a lot of that retracement. Really, that price above $1.05 is a very key price that we need to get over and actually hold on to. So you can see this Fibonacci level that we have a lot of resistance at, that top one there, where that wave 5 is. That's a huge area of support for Polygon if it is able to hold above that. And you can see how much the price can move within that. So looking at September of 2021, where it was holding some support there, it managed to quickly do some price movements between the end of September on into the end of December, where the price was at about $2.90. So it has some opportunities here if it is able to actually hold support above that $1.05 price. So really, if we break out of this this top Fibonacci level, the price could really move and have a lot of potential. So looking at this wave C, that's where I'm at with it. I'm thinking that if this was part of a 3-wave move here, at least before we see a little bit of pullback and then start moving up again within a wave 4 and 5, then things could look really nice. So at the moment, our key things that we really need to do is we need to be sure that the price is holding above 78 cents, that Fibonacci level that we're at right now, and then continue working up to these other Fibonacci levels. That price of around 90 cents is going to be another one that we're going to see a bit of a breakthrough within the price. And then after we pass that $1.07, then things are going to become a lot more bullish, as you can see from previous price moves above that. So anyways, just a quick update on Polygon is what I wanted to do. Just keep you guys in the loop so we're within this trend. This is one of the things we're working on. And then we're also making sure that we're holding on to this Fibonacci level that we're within right now. So everything is looking nice, in my opinion, with Polygon. Nothing bad. It's just probably going to consolidate a little bit more, but I would not be surprised that a breakout could be coming, and hopefully not a wave 5 to the downside within this current B wave, because then we would just extend this B wave, of course, to being priced a bit lower, and then hopefully our breakout wave would happen after that. So that's the update. I'd like to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll just see you in the next crypto video coming here very soon.